In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a new file to existing data in Tableau. Whether you're a Tableau novice or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to tableau.com. This is where everything starts. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged into your Tableau account. Accessing your account is necessary because it allows you to work with your existing projects and data sets seamlessly. If you haven't already created an account, there are plenty of resources on the site to help you get set up quickly. After logging in, head over to the Recent section on your Tableau homepage. This is where you'll find your most recent projects, which makes locating your latest work a breeze. Click on the relevant project that you want to add new data to. Selecting from your recent projects ensures you're working with the correct data set without having to sift through numerous files. Now that you have your project open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Worksheet tab. Clicking on Worksheet is crucial because it's your gateway to accessing all the data functionalities Tableau offers. Once you're in the worksheet, you're able to see all your data visualizations and how they are currently structured. At this point, you're ready to integrate new data into your existing project. Adding new files involves using Tableau's data connection features. From your worksheet view, look for options to connect new data at the top of your screen. You can typically find this under Data or a similar menu, depending on your version of Tableau. Select Connect to open a menu of data sources. In the connection menu, you'll be presented with various file types and data sources you can connect to, such as Excel, text files, or databases. Choose the file type that corresponds to your new data. Once you select your file type, follow the prompts to locate and upload your new data file from your computer or network. Tableau will then import this data and prepare it for integration. With your new data file uploaded, the final step is to blend it with your existing data. This usually involves creating relationships between your new data set and the existing one. Look for the data pane where you can define these relationships. Establishing these connections correctly is essential for accurate data visualization and analysis. If you're unsure about the relationships, consider looking up more detailed resources on data blending in Tableau, as this can be a complex topic depending on your data structure. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new file to your existing data in Tableau. By following these steps, you can keep your data up to date and ensure your analyses reflect the most current information. Remember, the key to mastering Tableau is practice, so don't hesitate to explore further and experiment with different data sets. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tutorials. Happy analyzing, and see you in the next video.